it's Claire Saunders from What's New in Electronics, and we're on day 2 of IPC Apex, and I've been joined by Mark from Aven. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Yes, not too bad, thank you.
Good.
So just before we go any further, let me know a little bit about your company. Tell us more about what you do.
So Aven's about 45 years old now, the company. Our purpose actually is to provide products that make precision assembly possible. So we provide most of the products for the precision bench, from your tweezers to your inspection scopes, anything that really aids in precision work.
Okay. And what are you guys showing here? I understand you've got a couple of new products.
Yeah, we redesigned our MicroView unit, which was one of our most popular products. We've kind of redesigned it, made all the cameras better. As new technology comes in, we upgraded the ring lights to where you can take it off the standard LED and put a UV light on. What we've seen in the industry, especially like defense and aerospace have picked up, is that UV, almost any product we've made with UV in the last few years that is used for UV inspection has done really well. So this was kind of the next logical step. Was a lot of our customers who use this on their line wanted to inspect their conformal coating on their board. So all of our UV is at the 365 nanometers that they require, and now you can pop one onto that new product, as well as our new inspector lamp that came out a couple of years ago, but now we have that in a UV model as well. So we adapted the camera for that.
Fantastic. And you say you're learning from hearing what your customers are doing, so that's how I guess you develop any new product. It's the feedback from your clients.
That is. I mean, it's the feedback from our clients and our field sales force. So, we have a field sales force all over the country and also in Latin America as well that's telling us kind of what they need. And that's really how we kind of come out with almost all of our new products is based on some sort of need or application that a customer had brought to us that we could then scale to bring to the marketplace.
Okay. And are you seeing any specific areas within the market that you're seeing peaks with? Is there any sort of trends that are happening out there that you're seeing?
Other than seeing a lot more UV, we're seeing a lot more need for documentation in the marketplace. Everybody sort of wants to capture and grab images. We're still kind of sorting out what AI is doing. Our product line mostly is used, again, on the precision bench, which is not all the time connected. And for security reasons, always connecting to the cloud to make AI really work like you want it to is becoming more difficult. So we're working on some things to try to make AI more localized to the camera. But that process is still a few years down the road. But we see a lot of more customers asking for AI, which we're actively putting resources to in new software development.
Okay. And the event generally for you this year, how have you found it? It's I think it's a very different sort of vibe than it was this time last year, because there were different things that we were challenging with this time last year.
Yeah, again, there's some global issues that we're encountering. Some of our manufacturing and shipments are, we're having to navigate that, supply chain challenge right now. But I think it's something that, will hopefully level out soon. But right now for the show, the traffic has been, surprisingly steady for us, and so I think the show has expanded from last year, so we're definitely seeing the benefits of that.
That's great, good stuff. Well, let's hope it continues. Let's hope 2026 continues to go in the right direction. And we look forward to hearing the next lot of innovations, and thank you very much for joining us, Mark.
All right, appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.